how to enable or disable action mode or dual capture video indicators in camera on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on camera. Next, we then scroll down and tap on indicators. And in here, tap on action mode or dual capture toggle button to enable or disable this feature. And if you go to your camera in video mode, you can see the action mode and dual capture. So if you turn it off, then this option will not become available in video mode. So that's in video mode. And you can still access action mode or dual capture from here. So I can turn on dual capture and it will become available in video mode. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.